be walking you through and introducing the speaker today. So since we have started late, I'll go relatively fast, but do leave us questions on the live chat if you have any questions about the content. And this slide is just a friendly reminder to please subscribe to our partners newsletter. And you can also see all of the upcoming partners live stream. And next up, I will skip the slide about the schedule and go straight to the Google update. So update number 1, our invoices page redesigned. So starting August 15th, so about a month ago, you should have seen the change with the new invoices page already. And it's now called Documents. And now you have the ability to filter and sort the invoices to make it easier to find. So learn more on our external page. We've included the link, and if you can't find it in our external help, contact your Google rep. Second update, very important, brand lift surveys. So there has been a change in their budget and the number of metrics measured, and this change took effect yesterday. So if you need to do a BLS for your clients, please do reach out to the Google rep early so that we can help you plan. And the important thing to note is right now we can only select up to 3 metrics maximum, regardless of what the budget is. So that is a key change. Please note that. Contact your Google account manager for more details. And here's the QR code for any pre-submitted Q&A. I haven't got any for today's session, but feel free to ask in the live chat. Now, without further ado, let me introduce our speaker today. It's our programmatic account strategist, Yo, to talk to you about everything programmatic.
Hi, thanks for joining the webinar. And today I'll walk you through about the everything programmatic. And today, this is our agenda. We'll first talk about what is programmatic, and if programmatic is equal to display and video 360, and we'll name it DV 360 in short. And any DV 360 features, and we'll go through some Google Marketing Platform successful case. And finally, we will have our G Hub, that is our GMP Knowledge Center. So let us go first with our what is programmatic advertising. Yeah, the most important things to remember is that the programmatic is not just an adjective. It's a method. It's software program-based method of transacting or performing a task, and this is named programmatic. So in our daily life, there are a lot of things that is programmatic already. Maybe, for example, streaming a song from Spotify, that is programmatic. Sending a photo through WhatsApp, that is also a programmatic. So programmatic media buying is technically just using software to buy ads. And nowadays, programmatic advertising is everywhere. So we can see programmatic advertising on display ad, video ad, mobile in-app ad, digital OOH, connected TV, and audio. And even right now, there are the cooler doors are running programmatic advertising. So they will use the facial detection technology to target by age, gender, and weather. And we'll see that all over the world, there is a lot of opportunities of programmatic advertising. So from eMarketer research, programmatic ads will account for 86% of all digital ad spend in 2 years, reaching $66 billion by 2020 in US. So it is a very important topic to us. Why programmatic keep growing so fast? It's because the promise of programmatic, that is the personalized communications at scale. So what does it mean? It means right audience with right message in right place, right time, and right price. And this is the beauty of programmatic. So programmatic advertising is equal to DV 360. Yeah, let's take a closer look at the programmatic landscape and how DSPs like DV360 fit into the landscape. So in this slide, you can see that the programmatic landscape is very complex, and we have agency in the programmatic landscape, agency trading desk, DSP, exchange, SSP, blah, blah, blah. And today, I'm not going to explain the details of this graph. If I need to go into details, maybe we'll need a few more hours. So here, I just want to let you know that DV360 is just one of the DSP in the programmatic landscape. So we saw that the programmatic landscape is very complex with thousands of players, but actually it can be done by a Google marketing platform. For example, we can do ad serving through Google marketing platform, search management, display buying. We can do all of these kind of functions on the GMP system. So what is included in the GMP ecosystem? So at a border level, Google Marketing Platform aims to simplify this landscape to offer a unified ecosystem with portals that span across each major functions and work closely together. So you will see we have Tag Manager 360 that allows our advertisers to manage their tags all in one place. Analytic 360 to help uncover deep insights about your brand, your consumers, and your marketing campaigns. Data Studio to help you unlock insight and create engaging, customizable reports. Optimize 360 to test different variations of your website and create a personalized experience. And we also have Studio to build and manage all types of creative units. And also, we also have the Campaign Manager, which is our ad server that allows you to traffic creatives and serve as a centralized measurement tools and advanced attribution solutions. For our Data Studio, for our DV360, it is our DSP that is allow you to build and launch your advanced programmatic campaigns. For Search Ad 360, it is our search management platform. And today, we're focusing on DV360. So we'll go into a deep dive of the DV360 features. So first, we need to understand what is DSP. DSP is a demand-side platform that is a technology that combines audience buying and smart bidding to enable the automated buying of ad space at scale. And DV360 is one of the DSP in the programmatic landscape. And DV360 enables you to access to high-value inventories, which your audience drive performance through automations. And now you may think that that's no difference among other DSP. So today I'm focusing on our DV360 features versus other DSPs. So we're focusing on inventory assets, audience targeting, reporting, and creatives. For inventories, in DV360, it is the only DSP that you can buy YouTube inventories. We have the True Wheel and Bumper Ads inventories. There are 3 core True Wheel ad formats in our DV360 platform. We have True Wheel in-stream, Bumper Ads, True Wheel Discovery. That is the 3 core ad formats. And secondly, for the audience targeting, most of the DSP, they have already integrated with third-party data provider. But for DV360, we have Google Audience Data, which is free for our users. And we also have audience profile analysis. So we have 7 properties that is reaching over 1 billion users monthly. Throughout the day, people turn to Google for help making choices. Whether we are choosing what to do, what to watch, where to go, or even what to buy. More than everywhere else, these moments happen across our properties like Google Search, YouTube, and Google Map. By seeing our audience as one across our platforms, we have strong understanding of who they are and what they want. And we have the best understanding of our user behavior and intentions. The interactions users have across these properties provide the most powerful signals of user behavior and intent. We don't just engage with users with one moment. We see them several times during several moments in the consumer journey. When they are searching a researching site, when they are watching related videos, when they are actively searching, when they are passively searching, and when they are looking for locations and etc. And we know the difference between the interest and intent. So Google notes if a user is simply interested in beaches or is actively intending to book a trip. By having a wide understanding of user behavior during multiple moments across all our channels, we are making it possible to deliver more relative ads everywhere else, and which our consumers are spending time online. So we have all this audience and we have all this data, and we can utilize this data for targeting on DV360. For example, we have demographic targeting, categories targeting, keywords targeting, affinity audience, in-market audience, customer match, etc. And these are all ability of our DV360. Besides, we also have a tools named Audience Profile Analysis. That is a tool that allows you to uncover insight about your audience and find new audience that can provide incremental reach on your campaigns. And you can even analyze your audience before the campaign launch. So now we'll go into the reporting. So most of the DSP, they already provided some basic reporting suite, but for DV360, we have some additional features. We have the actions viewability and cross-device measurements. That is without any additional tagging. So further on DV360, implementing active view is effortless. So there is no additional tagging required, and active view is integrated in our tools. You can use active view as a dimensions in the reporting or layer in the targeting to our line item. So in our platform, active view is transparent. You can see exactly how many impressions were measurable and viewable. With the launch of active view optimizations, active view is now actionable too, which make our every media dollar work harder. Besides, we also have cross-device measurement. That is no additional tagging or no additional cost for that. And we also have an algorithm that can optimize to cross-device conversions reporting. So the last one will be our creatives. So for most of the DSP, they have standard creative formats. But for DV360, we have pre-built DDC. That is our data-driven creatives. So the definitions of
There's a request to speak a
okay.
bit slower. Thank you, Yo-Yo.
Sure. So for the definitions of data-driven creatives, it is changing the content of our banner based on preset signals. So what is the signal that we can use for our pre-built data-driven creatives? We can have the signal of behavior and interest. Besides, we also have media touch points, that is the categories targeting, and we also have locations. Besides, we also have the schedule that we can target by date, by week, or by month. And the pre-built data-driven creatives that are already available on DV360 are the Panorama, we have the QCAD, and we have the blank slate for the pre-built data-driven creatives on our platform. And it will just take around 30 seconds for you to build this DDC. It is very simple. It is very time efficient for you to build this kind of creatives on our platform. So right now, we know that in our platform, we have unique selling. We have unique inventory assets. we have Google audience data, and we have active viewability reporting, cross-device measurements that is without any additional tagging, and we have pre-built data-driven creatives for our creatives. And finally, in our DV360 platform, we also help you to save time. And we help you to save time with better performance. So how we did that? We have automated bidding on our platform. So you just need to choose your goal. For example, I need to optimize towards CPC. I need to optimize towards CPA. You just need to choose your goal. And then from the results, our system will have the algorithm to learn from the performance. And we have the algorithm to bid for the impressions that is more valuable to your business. So in our platform, automated bidding can help you to save a lot of time with a better performance. So we have covered a lot of unique selling point of our DV360. If there is any successful case using our DV360 and our Google marketing platform, and here I will share one of them with you. That is Shangri-La hotels that boost their sales and efficiency with our GMP system. That is our Google marketing platform. So what is the campaign is about? It's about transiting from traditional ad buying to audience-focused marketing, and they would like to use their first-party data for the remarketing and prospect more effectively across search, display, and video. Besides, they wanted to improve their returns on ad spend, that is the ROAS. So using our Google Marketing Platform full stack solutions to manage and execute their global campaigns, and they have also built build reusable templates to generate 500 different variations of the ad creatives. And finally, our client have also used the segment data for automated personalized remarketing. And the result is incredible. In Shangri-La, they have one group and 4 brands, and there is 95 hotels under Shangri-La, and we have built 5 templates for our client. And finally, we have generated 500 unique ads driven by data. And the result is really impressive. We have 30% YOY increase in our OAS globally, and we have 15% increase in bookings globally. And finally, we also have 61% YOY increase in revenue. So with DTC, GMP full stack, it can help our client to achieve more. And this is not the only cases that is driving very successful campaign. We have lots of successful case with using our full stack and our DTC. So if you would like your client to be part of it, so you can contact us for more details, or you can contact your Google Web for more details. Yeah, and finally, I would like to introduce our G Hub to you. That is our GMP Knowledge Center. If you would like to access to this G Hub, you can contact us or contact your Google Web on this. We'll upload all of the sales materials, best practice, new feature updates, and implementations guidelines on this G Hub that is related to our Google Marketing Platform. So it would be included DV360, Campaign Manager, Search Ad 360, and Analytics 360 materials on this hub. So if you would like to learn more and know more what is our offering on the GMP, you can reach out to your Google Web and ask them for their access to this G Hub. So this is the end of our of my presentations today. So if you have any questions, just leave it on the live chat and we'll get back to you.
So questions-wise, I think we have addressed the questions as we go on. Specifically for programmatic, I haven't got any question on the live chat yet. So please do submit your questions. Yo-Yo, I do have a question because I have
Yep.
another advertiser inquiring about
Mhm.
programmatic and whether we have partners in mainland China for programmatic. Do you happen to know?
Yeah, we have China solutions for DV360, and we have China inventories on DV360. You can just simply go into DV360 and then add the targeting of China, the locations targeting of China, and we can automatically help you to target the China inventories.
Okay, thank you, Yo-Yo. And I'm just checking the live chat. Yes, we have a very engaging live chat today. And thank you for Yo-Yo for addressing the question. If there are no further questions from the live chat, then after this live stream, we will send out the link to the G-Hub. There was one question about if we can publish today's deck onto G-Hub. So,
yeah, sure.
Okay, that's great. So you'll be able to see it on G-Hub and use the slides for any for your reference in the future. And let's see. So on live chat, there are no further questions on the topic of programmatic. So if there's any follow-up required, please do contact your Google rep. And thank you once again, everyone, for bearing with us during our technical difficulties. And that's it. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day ahead.
Thank you.